Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to be sharing my one-eyed blue sea monster design. I've loaded a Pouncer sponge with light blue paint to create the monster's head and body. And with that same light blue color, I'm going to draw 4 legs. One leg is going to go from the top of my temple and connects to my eye. The second leg is going to go down my cheek. The third leg is going to come down and go over to the top of my mouth. And then the fourth leg is going to come down across my nose and end on the other side of my face. Using dark blue, I'm going to create the monster's eye. While the paint is still wet, I'm going to grab my dry brush and drag that dark blue color down to give the eye some shadow. Next, I'll line the head and body. And then the monster's legs. Now some dry blending to add shadow. Purple for his mouth. And while that purple is drying, I'm going to add some highlights. And because I want to make his teeth look as yucky as possible, I'm using yellow for the base color. Then brown for some shadow, because my sea monster does not floss. And add just a little bit of white on the yellow. And going back in with that same dark blue, I'm going to start to make some wrinkles, fold, and crease lines. I deepen the outline some more, also the shadow area of the eye. Next, outline the teeth in black. Gave him some pink gums and added some white drool lines. And for some texture and interest, I'm adding a triangle stencil. And as you can see, I had a lot of fun with this one. Thank you for watching. See you next time.